I don't know what to call it. What should we call it?
First donation box opening.
Yeah, well done. I'll keep that on there. Right. Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be looking through this box that has been. It's a box of donations kindly sent to me by a viewer, David Tucker. So, shout out to you, David. Thank you very much. This is the first donations for us we've received, isn't it?
Yeah. James
is with me, so this isn't a gems or junk, this is a donations. Now, I've got no idea what's in here. I took the tape off it and took any like addresses off it, so we haven't had a look. So what should we do? Should we put it I don't know, what should we do? Put it over there?
Put it on my lap.
Put it here and we'll open it. Right, first lucky dip. This is like a lucky dip. Yeah. First thing to come out is HST. Hornby, if I give you them, put them in the bin bags there. Hornby HST. Oh, and it's a powered one. So I haven't actually got that body shell. 43003. So that's a different. I can't get there. There we go. Here we go. No. The Ringfield. Oh, I'll tell you why. The brush. Oh dear. That might still run. Let me just put the. I caught the brush holder getting it out, but it's obviously been soldered in the past. Where's the battery? What do you reckon?
Yeah, I think it might run.
Yeah, there's signs of life there. Look, ready?
Why don't we test it on the track?
No, because it won't run because the wires aren't there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So, yeah, so that's got the potential to be a runner. Now, the internal wiring is all gone, but that's replaceable. I wonder if the bulb's still in the front, but so that's the.
It needs a bit of a clean up as well.
Put the bogey in the wrong way around. Yeah, it does need a bit of a clean up, but I don't know how well this is showing up on camera. There we go. Trash to track mat. So that's the first donation. Is a Hornby HST power car. So that's very welcome, isn't it?
Yep.
What we got in here? Bit of bubble wrap. I'll keep that for. Oh, cool. That is one of them
things that you made Thomas.
It's one of them things I made into Thomas. Oh, yeah, look at that. Wow. This is an Electra Trend. Italian, I think. It's Italian. This is an Electra Trend industrial steam engine. Anybody that's watched the video where I build the Nene Valley Railways Thomas, this was, in fact, it was this exact model.
Yeah, look, I'll get it.
No, it's all right. Leave it. Okay. It was this exact model. That the chassis is what I use. So on this one, we'll test it on this little piece of track. Now, do you think
it works? That would look good on the outside.
Think this will run?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, it's got a bit of a click to it. There's something in the cogs, I think. But that's a runner. That is. Oh, wait, I'll tell you what it is. Let the side rods have come out of the piston rods come out of the guide. About. There you go. It's not clicking now.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There we are, live fixing, Trash to Track live. So yeah, that's awesome. No, thank you very much, David. That is awesome. That will come in handy if I decide to build another industrial shunter. I've got the chassis for one and a couple of couplings there. It's fitted with the NEM standard ones.
But until you do make one, you can just keep it like that, can't you?
Yeah, that's. I might open that up in a minute, see if it's the digital ready one. More bubble wrap. What else we got? Oh, I can feel something else, Jane. What do you think it is? It's a 37. A 37 Hornby one, look. A Hornby 37. Now, let me have a. I'll feel around and see if there's a. Oh, there's something there. See. Oh, we'll find the bogey for it in a minute, but look, there's a Hornby 37. What I need is a screwdriver. Right, here we are. We'll get the. Another Ringfield. Oh, the wire's come off. But it's, oh, look, there you go. The wire was actually stuck inside. And it's got a nameplate on it, look. Dunrier, I think. 37679.
Can I pick the next thing out?
No.
Why?
Because who do you think you are? Right, what do you reckon? Do you reckon this will run? Another Ringfield motor. Oh, it's had signs of life then. Isn't it? That moved then. I'm convinced that moved. tell you what, that may need more power. So let's plug the controller in and get the, look, I stood on one of my crocodile clips, look, squashed it, so I need a new one. Look at that. It's a dead crocodile, that is. Well, that started moving then without me even connecting it on. Oh yeah, look at that.
Whoa, how fast is it going?
That's a nice runner, that is. It's a bit dirty. Can you smell it, James?
Yeah. No, I can't smell it from here.
Oh, excellent. So that 37, that is a runner as well. Just pop that back on there so we don't lose it. Thread the wire through. So there's a 37. Do that one. I might let you have that one.
Yeah.
Well, you've got the two I did for Trash to Track, haven't you? So,
yeah.
So we'll put that there. Right. You can't put your hand in the box because you'll see what's in it.
What?
What's this?
Oh.
Right, you get one out there.
What's this? Oh.
Boggo. A wheelless Boggo. It's got no wheels on it.
Why didn't you make that for like a
Hang on.
cafe from the outside?
And the next thing out is a Hornby A4. Look at that. Tender drive model. It's a bit smashed up, but that's mendable. Right, let me see if there's. And there is the tender for it. A Ringfield tender. Oh, it's missing the rear wheel, but that's fixable. Look at that. Peregrine. Look at that. That is awesome. And all these things that have been sent by David.
What?
This battery, I think this battery's had it because it's not. Do you want? That is a runner. Look at that. That is a fantastic runner. That probably needs a service, but that is the motor. That is an excellent runner. Body shell securing lugs and that's all snapped, but once that's been serviced. And on the front, looking at the A4, you're missing a buffer, James. Look.
Yeah. That's
repairable, and this tender drawbar thing is bent, but it's repairable. Everything is, wheels are very nice and clean. Look at that. So that might be a Trash to Track in the future. I do have a few A4s in storage. That's awesome, isn't it? An A4, like a mallard. Peregrine. I don't know if Peregrine was one of the ones that was renamed into something different. Right, so we
sent you that engine because he saw that from this one.
Yeah, it might have been. What else is? What's next? Peak.
Oh.
Look at that. That has seen better days. That is a very battered, missing its buffer beams. That is a very battered mainline Peak. Now, regular viewers will know that I did my dad's Peak on Trash to Track. Oh, the wind's all smashed. Let's inside.
I don't think it's as bad as this Peak. Or is this even a Peak?
That's a Peak. Look, that's my derelict Peak. But I could rob the buffers and that off that for this one. But
it's cool, because you don't see the ones at the front when they're sat in that abandoned siding.
No, so it's missing a pony wheel. The bogey's been broken or cut. So this may be a spares jobby, but let's see if the motor works, James, shall we? Yeah. What do you reckon? Yeah, there's a runner, look. If them wires were soldered back on, that'd run, that would. Yeah, that's a nice runner, that is. It's just a pity that it's so smashed up. That is pretty smashed. Renumbered to 45104. Put that back in there just for now. No, they've weathered the top, look.
What do you mean?
Where the exhaust comes out. I like that. That's quite a good feature. So I'll just move these over a little bit. So that's a Peak. So that Peak is probably in the worst condition so far. This DMU's not too bad. Oh, we've got another Boggo. The other car, look. So we've got 2-car Boggo. Now that's funny, isn't it? Because mine cracked in the body shell like that. This one is pretty. There's something. It's got people in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's had people put in it.
It looks like they're a bit dead now.
Yeah.
About in it.
So we're missing some wheels. So
Oh, that's probably why it's cracked. It's had people in it when you put the shell back on.
right, it does appear that maybe something has been damaged in transit, as there is a lot of
Plastic
broken bits in the box. So there's that is the wheel to the tender for the
This
mallard.
could be the
on.
wheels for the ball.
There's the tender wheel that was missing. The missing wheels for the Bog Unit are there, so we'll test them. That is the missing wheel for the 37.
So is everything here then? Is everything here?
That goes to the mallard. And all those other little plastic bits in there,
Maybe that's a missing bit to the windows on the peak.
I think that may have been done in transit. So these bogies are a clip fit into this one. So that's that with its wheels now. And then this is that won't work. That Bog Unit won't work.
Why?
Because the brushes and springs have been taken out. Look, there's no, I mean, it's not seized, look.
Yeah.
So that is entirely restorable. Although I don't know, because the chassis is smashed. Look, the chassis is smashed, but it holds the bogie in place.
Oh.
Now I might have to look at getting another underframe, and that DMU will feature on a future Trash to Track. And this is the let me just get this in the right way. This is the bogie to this. Now if I put that wire, James,
Yeah.
if I connect that wire on there and then give this a quick test with the old controller, this may fire up. There's a little buffer there from something. That's from that Bog Unit. It's fallen out, yeah. What do they call them? Bog Units. 37 now, it's got its bogie back, is a runner. So that's, oh, that's good. So everything here runs motor wise. So let's just, all right, there we go. I've lined everything up that David very, very kindly donated to our channel. So I can tell you now that the A4, the Unit, the 37 will probably feature in Trash to Tracks in the future. I think the peak is beyond it, because by the time I've bought new bogies, because it's just not going to be worth doing. But that is a valuable source of spare parts for my own mainline diesels. That is awesome. That is virtually new. That is gonna, James has already got plans for that. So should we take the body off to see if it is the digital ready one? It is the digital ready version.
Oh, that's good.
So you've got a digital interface on there, so that is very good. Well, where's that weight come from? Mine didn't have a weight. Feel robbed. Yeah, so digital ready Electra Trend, and obviously the HST. We've done them in the past, so that will go into the storage pending restoration in the future. So David, I can't thank you enough. I'm blown away by the generosity of people sometimes, and we've got everything on the table works. That will work when you put brushes and springs in it, because the Lima motors are pretty much indestructible. But yeah, thank you very much, David, for sending that in to us. I will put these into the Trash to Track storage drawer, and these, not that one obviously, but these two will go into the spares pending drawer. So thanks very much for watching. Like I said, I'm very, very grateful for you for sending stuff in, and we'll catch you in the next video. So have a good one.
And subscribe.
And what?
Subscribe.
Yeah, please like, share and subscribe, because James has told you to. Right, see you later in the next video. Bye for now. I didn't press record.
I needed.